In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient overlapping text with reflection in Canva. It's a quick and creative way to add some pizzazz to your projects, and you'll be amazed at how simple it is. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. It's straightforward to sign up and get started. Once you're all set, create a new design. You can pick any size or template depending on what you're aiming to create. A poster, flyer, or even a social media post. Just choose something that fits your project. Next, head over to the left toolbar and click on Apps. This is where you can find various tools and plugins to enhance your Canva designs. In the search bar within the Apps section, type in Type Gradient. This tool is going to be essential for giving your text that beautiful gradient effect. Now that you've accessed the Type Gradient tool, it's time to enter your text. Type in the message you want your design to convey. Then select a font that matches your vision. The fun part comes next, defining your gradient colors. Play around with different hues until you find the perfect blend. This is your chance to get creative and experiment with colors that pop. Once you're satisfied with your gradient text, download this text as a PNG file with a transparent background. This step is crucial as it allows you to layer this text in your design without an unwanted background interfering. Now upload the downloaded gradient text PNG back into Canva. With this uploaded, let's add some depth. Head over to Effects and select Drop Shadow. This will give each letter a bit more dimension, making your text stand out more effectively. After adding the shadow, you'll need to download your text once more as a PNG with a transparent background. Again, this ensures that your design element can be easily maneuvered within your workspace. Having accomplished this, upload the text again and duplicate it in Canva. Now, we're going to create a reflection effect. Use the flip option available right in Canva to flip the duplicated image vertically. With this mirrored version, position it directly below the original text. This alignment will craft a satisfying reflection effect, enhancing the overall look. Our next step involves adding a bit of a stylish background. Go to the Elements section and search for Gradient Graphics. Browse through the available options and choose a suitable gradient graphic that complements your design. Once you've finalized your design and everything's looking great, click on the Share button. It's located at the top right. From here, download your completed project as a PNG file. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've created a vibrant, engaging design featuring gradient overlapping text with a stylish reflection in Canva. This design trick is perfect for spicing up your presentations, social media posts, and more. Happy designing!